is just after 9 o'clock. It is 9:20, and today I am doing a wear test video of the ColourPop Just a Tint lip balm or lip crayon, and I'm wearing the color City of Stars. I apologize in advance for my voice. I am still recovering from a cold, I am still congested, and I've got that beautiful nasally voice. So ColourPop just came out with like a bunch of these lip tints, and they come either individually or in sets. So I got the set Cherry and Bright. It comes with 2, and it comes with the color City of Stars, which I'm wearing, and the color Cutie Fruity, which I will insert a picture of me wearing now. Coming at you from the future to let you know that this color will also be included in this video. So these Just a Tints are, as you might suspect, a lip tint. So it's not like a full-on lipstick, it's not like they're lippy sticks, it is like a grab and go, light makeup day, toss it on lip tint. As is tradition, I will show you the application process while I read to you what ColourPop has to say about these lip tints. ColourPop says, for the days when you need a 5-minute face, get the perfect sheer wash of color in the comfiest, lightweight, super moisturizing formula. Loaded with passion fruit oil, coconut oil, marula oil, and shea butter to provide hydration for healthy, glowy lips with a hint of tint. Trust us, you'll want to keep one in your purse, car, desk, and vanity. The finish is glossy. The shades of the 2 that I have are corals and oranges. And it has some application tips. It says apply directly to bare lips throughout the day as needed. So they're calling it a sheer wash of color. I would definitely agree. It's definitely changed the color of my lips, but it's not like so much so that you're like, wow, you're like really wearing lipstick today, huh? And because their application tips tell me that it is to be applied throughout the day as needed, that tells me that it's probably not going to have the longest wear time. So I might be able to get a wear test of both of these colors today. That would be fun little shake up 2-in-1 video. It says that it's going to be super hydrating with a bunch of different oils, including shea butter, which is much more like of a thick oil, so is coconut oil, to provide hydration for healthy, glowy lips with a hint of tint. So they're not really making any like huge, bold claims with this. They're saying it is a moisturizing lip product that will give you a little bit of color, and it's not gonna last forever, so keep it on you so you can apply it throughout the day. I like that kind of like realistic claims to a lip product. That's kind of why we have these videos, is to test to see if they have ridiculous, outstanding, like over-the-top, unbelievable lip product claims. So it's just after 9:20 now. I will check in with you throughout the day so we can see how this is going to wear. All right, I just zoomed in a little bit so that we could do a little bit of a close-up without being like right on me. I don't have a lot of like super direct light on me right now, so you can't see how glossy the lips are. So I put on my flashlight on my phone so you can see. It is fairly shiny. It's not like a lip gloss glossy shine, but it's a nice, medium shiny lip. So it is about an hour, well, a little bit more than an hour later, and I thought I would check in because I am having some transfer onto my coffee cup, and I can tell that the shine has come down quite a bit on this lip color. But that being said, I still do get quite a lot of actual like color on my lips, so the shine has come down. We're gonna see how long the actual color is going to hang on for. We are just over 2 hours worth of wear, and I am calling it. We have nothing left on the lips. So, because it's still pretty early in the day, I'm going to switch over to the next color, which is Cutie Fruity, which I'm gonna do right now. All right, there we go. Now this color is obviously quite a lot darker than the previous color, so I'm interested to see if it's going to wear a little bit longer on the lips with that in mind. Now I noticed something that I didn't notice this morning because my congestion is really plugging up my nose. But the scent on these are very strong, like so strong, and I have smelled them both since, and they both smell the same. It's like a very strong berry scent, or maybe it's cherry flavor. It's supposed to be like a cherry set. But regardless, it is a very strong scent, like so much so that when I was just applying it, you can like taste it just from applying it. It's strong, and it's not what I would call like a very adulty kind of fragrance. It's obviously not something that someone like around you would smell, but it's not like a very, it's not very chic. Let's say that. But we are on round 2. It is 11:33 right now. I will check back in and we will see how this darker color is going to wear today. So it is 12:45 now, so we're about an hour into the wear test of the second slightly darker option of the ColourPop lip tint, and this one is Cutie Fruity. What a name. The color is definitely toned down quite a lot since I applied it. It is just like the one I was wearing this morning, transferring onto my glass as I drink, but that's not all that surprising because it's basically a tinted lip balm. I can still like feel it on my lips, although it's much less than before, and it's definitely less shiny. So I'm expecting this to wear basically the same as the previous option, which means that I've got about another hour's worth of wear out of it, so I will check back in about an hour from now and we will see how much of this lip balm is left. We have hit around the 2-hour mark, also 2 p.m. and let's not even talk about like how much my foundation has come off my nose. I have been sneezing, I've been blowing my nose. This cold, so close to being done. Let us all give thanks. We have a little bit more color than we did at this time this morning with the lighter shade. What is it called? Oh no, is it only on the cap? The title of these shades is only on the cap. That's really annoying. I just noticed that. So if you put the wrong cap on, I mean the caps are color coded. They're the color of the packaging, but still. Anyway, City of Stars had worn off by this point. Cutie Fruity is still just barely there. We're at the same point where there's not really any like shine left to it. It's just the color remaining on the lips. So we will see how much longer this color will actually last, and I will check in with you later. It is just about 3 o'clock, which puts us at around 3 hours of wear, and I am calling it. The lipstick, as well as all of the makeup around my nose, has completely disappeared. I will have a full review of these lip tints on the blog later today, lipstickaday.com. The link will be in the description, and I'll see you later. Bye.